Are you just drifting, or are you charting your own course? So many of us wander, feeling that nagging emptiness. Imagine a magnificent ship, capable of grand voyages, yet it sails without a rudder, tossed by every random wave. We've all felt that hollow ache, the subtle whisper asking if what we do even truly matters, if there's more to it. But purpose? That's your internal compass, the unwavering North Star that guides you through the storm, through the fog. What truly ignites your soul? What problem breaks your heart and compels you to stand up, to create, to act? Think of the visionaries, the game changers. They weren't just showing up. They were driven by a profound, compelling reason. Discovering it demands introspection, a deep dive into what truly resonates, not what's easy or expected. So stop waiting for permission. Start exploring, start creating, start living with unwavering intention today. Because when you unearth your purpose, you don't just transform your life. You spark change in the world around you. Don't just exist. Unearth your reason for being, and then light the world with your unique flame.